natin i-repair itong base na to. And by the way, this is a Sector 4 string na bass na Sector Diamond Series Elite 4. So gusto nyo malaman yung specs nitong bass na to, search nyo na lang. Pero after this video, inayos natin tong bass na to kasi ilang linggo na rin kaming pinapahirapan ito. Months na rin pala kasi na-disconnect siya, nagkaroon ng grounded sound. Then mamaya testing natin to. So in the meantime, gusto mo na siya, tigpitan na.
Yun.
So yun lang guys, nag-enjoy ka sa video na to. Please like and share and subscribe.